The following exercise covers clash detection within Aveva E3d 2.1. Add the zone named Zone Piping Area 01 to the 3D view and set the limits to extents. In the Home tab, check Group, click Clashes to display the clashes form. In the Options tab, check the Clash Midpoint Position checkbox. Set the Major Clash Items colour to yellow and the Obstruction Items colour to cyan. In the Obstructions Exclusions tab, click the Clear button, then click the Yes button to confirm. Navigate to Zone Structural Area 01. Ensure current element is selected in the Add Obstructions drop-down and click the Add button. Repeat the operation to add Zone Equipment Area 01 to the Obstructions list. Select the Clashes tab to display the clash list. Navigate to pipe 150A57, then click the Check CE link label from the clashes form. Check the Navigate checkbox and select Obstruction from the drop-down list. Select the second clash in the list and note that the obstruction item is now the CE. Remove Zone Piping Area 01 and Zone Structural Area 01 from the 3D view. Navigate to pipe 100B1B, then click the Check CE link label. Sort the results by the clash item column, then select the fifth clash in the list. This clash is a touch between an elbow and the gensec. Orientate the view so that the touch is clearly visible. This clash is classed as a touch because of the default setting for overlap and gap. Select the Options tab. Change the overlap to 1 mm and the clearance to 5 mm. Click the Save button. Select the Clashes tab. Navigate to the Pipe 100B1 and click the Check CE to rerun the clash check. The list now includes 3 clearance clashes. Select the Report tab. Check the report to file when checking for clashes checkbox. Uncheck the primary and reference checkboxes. Click the Save button. Select the Clashes tab and navigate to Zone Piping Area 01. Click Check CE. A text report will now be generated in the Aveva Design User directory. Open a File Explorer in C Users Public Documents Aveva User Data. Open the file My Report. Display the summary at the end of the file. Note the total number of clashes and close the report. Modify the gap and clearance settings to 0 mm, then rerun the clash check. Note the changes. Check the clashes for pipe 100B8 and decide how the clashes might be resolved.